Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and I am at the Dollar Tree looking to see what's available for Valentine's Day. Dollar Tree is now $1.25, but I think many of the items will be worth it. Stay with me. I always find the Dollar Tree great for picking up knickknacks. Little tiny things for Valentine's that make it special. Not necessarily the big gift you're going to give somebody, but just some fillers and some good items like those. Boxes of candy. Those are great if you're giving out to a bunch of friends. And here are some balloons. Perfect if you're having a Valentine's Day party. Your kids are having one. Very cool items. And here is some decor. They have some better decor I'm going to show you down there. Here are some pencils. A lot of good things for the kids to give out to other kids. They can give them a pencil or two. They can give them some of these. Look at this. This says Jawsome. That is cute. It's a notepad, but it has a picture of a shark and says Jawsome. Very cute thing for the kids. These are all really cute little things, and that's a decorative piece for the table. Why not? Now you need some hearts and some little things. Look at these straws. A lot of straws in there for $1.25. Although I found better ones, I think, at Hobby Lobby, but the price is $6.99. Okay, well, let's look here. We got some nice bags if you're going to give gifts. I don't know if they think it's Halloween or what, why they would have those bags, but I guess you give Halloween gifts in school. And here are some cups. Maybe those were for cupcakes. I don't know, they had some unusual things here. And here are some doilies. I don't really use doilies, and it seems like old people use doilies, so I don't know about that. But here are some nice necklaces. I liked those. Those are kind of cool. Look at the little hearts. They're just plastic, no big deal, but you get several of them and you can give them as gifts for the kids. And here are some nice glasses, maybe for champagne or so for wine. And they say things like love and be my Valentines and hugs and kisses, all that kind of cute thing that is perfect for the holiday. Now over here I found some more bags, but I also found some socks. Oh, if you're gonna wear some socks for $1.25, these are absolutely adorable socks. I love them. Very, very cute. And let's see, over here are some cards. I'm going to show you a little cards. Look at that one with the cute little cat in it, and it's hug and love. There was something on the outside. I thought it was you press a button and makes noise, but it did not. I think these were probably $1 each. They have some other ones I'll show you after that are even cheaper. Now over here are some of the candies, sweethearts, Smarties, little boxes. Like I said, these are great to give other children from your children. What a cool thing. And let's see what else we got. They're also good to munch on. Here's some cuddly cuties. And let's see. You never know what you're going to find in these candies. There's some kind of pops. And what do we have over here? Some more bagged items and some chocolates and candies. You name it. The typical things. There's a box. Wow. Typical things that you're going to find at the Dollar Tree. And I like these. They were milk chocolate and white. I was hoping they were dark chocolate because pretzel rods are really cool. I love those. Those are great and tasty. Some Queen Anne's, and here's some, looks like caramels and some kisses. Hershey Kisses, if that's your thing. I always like the dark ones, of course. The Bunch Pops. There's quite a variety here. I don't know if all of them I would consider Valentine's, but I guess if you give chocolates, any kind of chocolates work for Valentine's Day. And here is some craft items. Are you crafty? Here you go. Lots of different things, and great for $1. What kind of crafts can you get for $1? It's worth it no matter what, $1.25. And here you go, some toothpicks, all kinds of different things. Those are bags. I think I'm going to show you the bag in a second over here. We'll get some more stickers, and here is the bag. Not bad, not bad. Good to give a gift in. And that is some LED lights for only $1.25. Not bad. And here are some putty and some gift card holder. It looks like you can put jewelry in there as well, which is always a good gift. And let's see what we have over here. Some decorations, some wooden decorations. These are ones that you would paint, I believe, or you can do something special with. And here, if you ever been to Disney World, or Disneyland, you see that they have Mickey ears. These have hearts. That's what they remind me of. And over here are some stuffed animals, some plush. They're little, but they're cute to give as a gift to put in your packages. Here are the cards I told you that were only, I believe, 2 for $1. If you have a lot of sweethearts, you can't get them cheaper than 2 for $1. And over here are some nice, look at these. Can you imagine $1.25 for these? What cool items. These are much more expensive in regular stores. These hearts, and these are all wooden. Not bad. I thought they were a great price. Nice items. And some flowers. They're in the flower section. They're in the back. They're not exactly where all the Valentine's Day stuff is in the front. So take a look for them, and I like that little thing. That was cute. And of course they have a car. And if you want to give some flowers, these are silk flowers. They're not real flowers. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Those are some of the things I found at the Dollar Tree. I have videos from other stores, so be sure to watch them. See what you can find. Get your gifts ready. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up.